Joan Crawford and Betty Davis are looking over here at the IKEA drawers, the chest of drawers that Stella got. She got all the stuff out and then left.
Yeah.
And
she
went
gotta
to
go
work.
to work and pay for her furniture.
But their faces are a little bit how I feel when I look at an IKEA furniture. Hi everybody, Chris and Amy here. And we are gonna see how long it takes for us to put together this IKEA chest of drawers tonight. Now the first problem is that Louie is on the instructions. Louie, give me that. And the second problem is insane people in Sweden made these instructions. Here's what I know is that you start at the number 1, and the number 1 is like 4 million things. I have a feeling I'm not gonna resemble this guy. I'm more gonna resemble this guy. I definitely right now am resembling this guy. We've already had our first fight. We just started. We're like in the step 1 of step 1. We've moved operations down to the table because I realized I'm an older man and working on the floor just isn't good.
The lead singer from Smashing Pumpkins, what's his name?
Billy Corgan.
Billy Corgan has a podcast, and he was interviewing Carney Wilson of Wilson Phillips, and she was talking about how she started out singing in Hold On to One More Day. I'll let Carney tell it about it. We can put a link down below.
We're not doing that. Everybody knows about Carney Wilson.
We did. I did see her celebrity ghost story. Scary.
We can link to that. When putting together an IKEA thing, you have to make sure it looks exactly the way it looks in the picture. Do you know what I heard John Tesh say today?
What did he say?
You're more likely to have a positive outcome if you say, I can do it. Or, no. What was it? I got this.
Whoa.
So if you say I got this, it works. You generally got it. That's what John Tesh said. And he played Michael W. Smith music at Red Rocks. It's been an hour and a half. We're on step 19 of 44. I've never seen a little thing like this in my life. You just basically like stick that down into there, and you have to put a thing down into the middle of it. Hey, it's looking like a thing. Will somebody tell me what this means? Don't put 2 drawers in, put 1 drawer in, put 4 drawers in. What? Now, don't tell her I said this, but Amy had this ingenious idea of separating the things before you start.
What was that?
Would you like a coffee wrap? IKEA cookies while we... Aww.
Okay.
Louie, get off of that. I've definitely done something wrong, but for the life of me, I can't tell what. We don't got this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I can't figure it out.
What? Oh, almost half. Probably over half of the...
We're having a little trouble.
Oh.
But I got 2 drawers built. There's this thing. It's a dumb thing. It was me. It was me all along. Putting it together wrongly. I had everything backwards, so it didn't fit right. It was me all along,
Open your Bibles.
just like Agatha. But this is the last drawer. We've almost got this Storklinta
Linta.
built. Thanks a lot, IKEA. This has been a really fun 5 hours.
You know, the guy on YouTube said it's always supposed to take 2.
Well, the guy on YouTube is me now, and I'm telling you it takes 5 hours. Right now, this very moment, I'm saying 5 freaking hours. Storklinta.
It's nice though.
It is. Show the cat.